Alright everybody, my name is Robert Thomas. I'm making my first TikTok video. I want y'all to see what we got to go through. Just for the record, every time Greenville County makes us move, they're trying to run the homeless people off. This is what we're dealing with. So we're put in danger every single time they make us move. And see this? It's to my ankles. And if you look at the water, see the water flowing? It's because it's coming off the road up there. The constant thing. Show you what I've been dealing with for the past couple minutes. I woke up. This is my tent. I don't know if you can see it or not, barely. My name is Robert Thomas, and this is the life I'm living. I just woke up to my tent, this deep in water. This is where we're sitting. This is my tent. A canopy above it. That's how I normally have my area set up. I have a tent, and I have a canopy above it. Now, because of the rainstorm, I have a canopy above a canopy. But this is Potato. Hey, Potato. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, mamas. Potato. Potato. Hey, Potato. Come here, Potato. Say hi, Potato. Say hi, mamas. Potato, Potato. Yeah, I love you. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Where's Callie at?